Hi everybody. Today I'm doing the unboxing of this fantastic M&ms alarm clock that my girlfriend bought for me. Inside we have this pack of M&ms. Is a 45 grams pack. Then you have the user guide. In this case, obviously, is in Italian. And as you can see, on or off are made. You can switch on or off using the left arm of the M&M. Then we open the box. And we can see the plastic is a little bit cheap, but it's pretty cool. It's fantastic, I think. You can turn on the alarm clock using this. Inside here there is the battery, obviously. And as you can see, now the clock is working. We just put the alarm on, and here you can set the alarm, and here you can set the time. Let's try the alarm. Is not very loud at all. And then we can turn off the alarm with the arm, on or off. And sadly, there is no light, so and there is no lume, so it's not possible to see the time during the dark. Despite this, I think that it looks fantastic, and I will use it every morning. See you next time for other video reviews.